What's up, guys? I want to show you where you can see every single workshop item that you have been subscribed to. This is really nice because you can kind of manage what you want, what you don't want anymore. Maybe you've taken some time off of gaming and you don't know what you subscribe to and you want to maybe clean it up a bit. It's super simple. All you need to do is click on your account name, you go to content, then on the top you'll see workshop items. Click that. And this is where you'll see every single item you are currently subscribed to in the Steam Workshop. Now, I'm not subscribed to anything at the moment, but this is where you would want to come to see your workshop items. Like, for example, on my laptop, I've got a whole bunch of Steam Workshop items where I'm subscribed to in Black Ops 3, Project Zomboid, and it's always nice to, sometimes I want to just delete one, because if you don't unsubscribe from these workshop items, they'll continuously update. If there's an update for it, they'll continuously update and be added into your game files. So it's super useful. This is where you manage it, and hopefully you guys found this video useful.